It's almost summer and it's time to put away that heavy yarn. We're going to be looking at the top 10 amazing quick summer makes that uses very little yarn. You can try all these patterns for free by joining my 30-day blog hop or instantly downloading the entire bundle. It includes 30 patterns from 30 amazing designers, all for $15, but remember, you can follow along for free. All the links will be down in the description box below. I'm Alicia of Little John Yarns, and today we're going to look at the top 10 quick summer makes. Number 10, Party Punch Shawl. Looking for a one skein wonder to do justice to the yarn that you've been collecting all year? Look no further than the Party Punch Shawl. This is designed for the adventurous beginner maker. This pattern stretches your Tunisian crochet skills to make a boomerang triangle wrap with one skein of yarn. This work of art is perfect for the cool summer evenings sitting by the fire. The designer of this pattern is TL Yarncraft. Number 9, One Evil Bag. That's one evil bag. Everyone has two sides to them, a little good and a little naughty. This Grafghan bag is taking it to another level with this unique design. The over-the-shoulder bag is perfect for any occasion, and I guaranteed everybody will be asking you, where did you get that? The designer of this pattern is Creative Stitch and Diva. Number 8, Farmhouse Candle Cozy. Farmhouse style prioritizes practicality, simplicity, and rustic charm. Create a look that feels both cozy and stylish with these farmhouse candle cozies. These cozies will add a touch of elegance and vintage charm. It's also the perfect teacher's gift at the end of the school year. The designer of this pattern is Through the Loop Yarn Craft. Number 7, Arcade Sandals. Tennis shoes and boots can be worn all year, regardless of where you live. Except if you live where the summer months are short, sandal season can be finished in a snap. That's why you shouldn't choose any sandals. Be creative and make your own crochet flip-flops. Match any one to your summer outfits with the yarn you have in your stash. The designer of this pattern is myself, Little John Yarns. Number 6, the Claire Crop Top. Here's a great summer long sleeve crop top project designed to wear over swimsuits, camisoles, or tank tops. The Claire crop top pattern is beginner friendly and it uses some of the first stitches you learned from crocheting. It's made entirely with double crochet and a row of single crochet. The designer of this pattern is Caraway Knitting and Crochet. Number 5, Ethereal Beach Bag Tote. With the world starting to open back up again after the pandemic, more and more of us are starting to go on vacation that we've been missing out for the past 2 years. The beaches are packed with people who want to catch some rays, and you'll need the perfect bag to take on a beach to hold all your supplies. And this gorgeous bag is the one you need to make. Not beach ready? Then take it to the market instead. The designer of this pattern is Orchard and Bees. Number 4, Piper Patchwork Bag. Since we're on the bag topic, show off your spring style with the Piper Patchwork Handbag. A super quick and fun crochet pattern that's easy enough for beginners and creates a sensational accessory with lots of texture and sass. The color options are endless. It also makes a great market bag too. The designer of this pattern is Itchin' for Some Stitching. Number 3, the Diamond Crossbody Bag. The Diamond Crossbody Bag clutch offers texture and the diamond trellis stitch and a fun striping effect by alternating 2 colors. It's the perfect size for carrying your essentials when heading out to work or a lunch date with your boo. The designer of this pattern is Creations by Courtney. Number 2, Hairpin Dreamcatcher. Their purpose is to protect the sleeper, especially children, from bad dreams, nightmares, and evil spirits. Native Americans believed that at night the air was filled with dreams, both good and bad. Make your own beautifully colored dream catcher using hairpin crochet and hang it above your bed. The designer of this pattern is Rafa Musa Designs. And coming in at your number 1 spot is the Sexy Crochet Sandals. If you're looking for some sexy crochet sandals for ladies, you found them. Crochet a pair for your upcoming vacation or to match your summer outfit. It will only take an hour to make and very little yarn to create these boho sandals. With such tall stitches, I was able to cover a lot of sandal while still having an airy summer feel, even while using worsted weight yarn. The designer of this pattern is myself, Little John Yarns. That was only 10 out of 30 summer projects. If you would like to join my free summer blog hop where you receive 30 patterns for 30 days from 30 designers, please click down in the description box below. You can follow along to all these patterns free, but if you would like to have it instantly downloaded, have all these patterns in one bundle for only $15. Remember, all that will be linked down in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.